So we're shooting this quick video. It's a plumbing leak detection. The symptoms were on the phone call, what we got out of them is that their building is under construction. They're doing a remodel. It's a pretty old building. It's an office building. You got 2 stories, have a bathroom stacked one on top of the other. We walked the building. We have some hose spigots and a turnoff to another building that this is tied to in the back side of the building. We ruled out any of those leaks, but what we're going to do is walk and we're going to touch and listen to the lower bathroom. If we had a leak upstairs, we see water damage. We're not. Therefore, we know we got a sub-slab leak. Again, with everything shut off, watch the meter. You can see the meter spinning when there's no use going on, which is a telltale sign. So as we touch our hot, cold, when we touch this cold line underneath the sink, we're literally hearing it scream. We're hearing it as I touch the slab as well, so we know we're literally right underneath the slab, probably where it comes right through. That's how we listen for leaks. That's how we pinpoint these. We're not going to stop there. We're going to walk the building. We're going to check, make sure that we have nothing else going on. Once we do, we're able to write up our report and confirm that this is where the actual leak was. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.